Okay,
this is my cat.
let's zoom in on this one.
Okay, she looks around and then she makes a sad face at me, but she wants to play, but I always say it's grooming time. So it's grooming time.
Oh, look at the cat did. She scratched me. You guys can't see that, right? I freaking. Oh!
Kitty, it's grooming time.
You nasty.
Okay, it's time for nap time.
Say guys, little tiny little kitty. Go to sleep.
Usually, they lick themselves, but she's a baby. And her mother is gone. So, we just decided to do this for her. She would usually grow herself.
Tiny little kitties,
Guess
be
what?
yow.
You can play now. She's like, oh,
You guys are under my bed.
oh
Dude, you messed up my video. What are you doing?
no. Watch. It's time for hide and seek. Where's the kitty? Okay.
And she was gone.
Okay. Where's the kitty? There she is. Where's the kitty? There she is. Where's the kitty? Guess where she is.
Huh? God, that freaking hurts.
Guess where she is.
Poink, poink.
Another cat. Whoop.
It did sound like a cat, a dog went, alright?
Okay, I'm more of a cat person, but I can usually groom dogs like this too.
Are you done?
Now, Kitty still needs her nap time, and then we'll be done. Oh. She already drank her milk and ate her cat food, so she went potty and then she
That put us on video.